So what I'm going to do now, since you already have the presentation slides, you can go ahead and check what links we have in the Learn From Community /ThisWeek, and we have the form. I just want to walk you through what we have available in YouTube as show and tell segment, and I will show you how the article look like as we highlight each and every video weekly, and then lastly I will just walk you through the form if you want to share your own story. So I'm gonna share, okay. I'm in the Microsoft 365 developer YouTube channel. As you can see, we have a lot of different videos here, and we try to keep it up to date with the new Learn Together events and the videos. We have tips and tricks for quick demos and demos from the advocates, product group, and so on. We also have Explore Microsoft Cloud Scenarios, which is a new initiative. Maybe I can join another community call to talk about it later. And at the bottom, you can see show and tell segment. Here is you can read the description, get inspired by community demos, scenarios, and interviews. Here you can see each and every video. We have either students or AppDev challenge winners, or we have MVPs demonstrating their own project. So here, when I say project, all of the projects covered in this segment are the real life solutions, actually. So as I mentioned earlier, either they're helping their universities to improve their processes with the automations, or maybe they're improving their community, like maybe a student ambassador community with a really good bot to help them get the onboarding process easily. Or we have brilliant MVPs talking about their projects, their solutions that use in their own company to maybe centralize some files or tools in a chatbot. So mostly here we try to cover community scenarios. So here's the right place to talk about it because we are the community. If you want to share your own story, that would be awesome to highlight your project. If you watch any of these videos, you will realize that we don't talk much, but the community members talk a lot more. They talk about why they built this project, how they built it with the technologies and architecture. They also demo the solution really quickly. And finally, they share if they have any documentation, if the project is open source and available on GitHub. They share all sort of links, and you can find all of them in the description box as well. So the reason we want to highlight these even more and make it as a series is because sometimes when we share these stories, not everyone is getting maybe the highlight, or not everyone is finding the resources available on YouTube. So that's why, and also most of us are readers instead of just, watching videos. If you're more of a reader person, if you like the, catching up with the really quick blog post instead of just watching the video, probably Learn From The Community series is for you. So this is, again, attached to Show and Tell video series. In each Learn From The Community article that we publish every Tuesday in 8 a.m. Pacific time, we cover one Show and Tell video. So here you can find what is the project about, and basically the problem and the solution of the project with the technologies included. We also share all the useful links available for the specific video. And if you are interested in watching the video, you can just go ahead and click and watch it. You may see in some videos, I used to be blonde, I'm not anymore. And if you're interested in being a part of Show and Tell videos, as well as if you want your project to be highlighted in Learn From The Community article series, you can just go to the presentation that Brian shared earlier. We have aka.ms/ask-your-share-your-story. So you can share your story by just going to the related link and filling this very easy form. You just need to share your name and a brief information about your project. Related links, if we can just quickly go through what is your project about and how we can contact you, basically. Or if you don't want to prefer this form way, you can always reach out to me, and you can also reach out to Brian if you're interested in this series and if you want to be a part of it. So that's basically about it. And if you have any questions, you can put it in the chat box, and I will try to just respond back. during the session.
Excellent. Thanks so much, Ayça, for just a little bit more kind of details around the program, what some of the different videos are and examples. Great to see this. Love to see folks contributing in, and hopefully we get to see some responses on the forums or people reaching out to you.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yep, thank you so much.